So, hello everyone. Today we stand at a turning point in our financial analysis. The days of manually shifting to a spreadsheet and relying on a statistic financial report are behind us. Instead, we are moving towards a data-driven, visual, and a real-time approach to our financial decision making. Now, the question is no longer if we should adopt this transformation, but how soon can we do it? Now, the rise of a business intelligence tools like Power BI, Tableau, Looker has revolutionized how organizations analyze the financial data, reduce errors, and enhance the decision making. And today I'll show you how real companies like Microsoft, General Electric, JP Morgan Chase have already made this shift. But more importantly, I will share how this transformation applies to an industries like healthcare, drawing my own experience as a data analyst specializing in financial claim and revenue cycle management. Now, why shift to a data-driven financial analysis? Now, let's start with the simple truth. Better data leads to a better decision. Now, financial leaders today need an instant insight into a key areas like revenue, cost, risk assessment, and fraud detection. Traditional reports provide an historical data, but they lack a real-time analysis and predictive capabilities. So how can we fix this? Using an enhanced decision making, companies using a real-time dashboard gains a competitive edge by making a data backed decisions on the fly. Now, take a Microsoft as an example. They implemented the Power BI to streamline their financial reporting and reducing the manual reporting time while improving their accuracy. Secondly, we reducing errors and improving the efficiency. Spreadsheets are error prone. In fact, research suggests that nearly 90% of spreadsheets contains an error. Now, to solve this, General Electric transitioned to a centralized BI system to improve the financial forecasting accuracy. Now, this shift enabled them to detect the anomalies faster and reduce the financial risk. Thirdly, advanced predictive analysis like JP Morgan Chase uses their AI powered dashboard to detect the fraudulent transactions and assesses their credit risk in real time. This isn't just about looking at the numbers, it's also about predicting the future and staying ahead. Now, drawing the attention to my practical applications in healthcare financial analysis, let's now bring in this in a healthcare industry, an area I have extensive experience in. Firstly, the claim processing and the revenue cycle management, where the problem was like a claim rejection due to incorrect coding or duplicate submissions and missing a documentation. Cost healthcare provides a million. Now, solution for this is with the Power BI and the Tableau dashboard, we can track the claim acceptance versus their rates daily. Also, identify the top reasons for their rejections and correct their error proactively. Thirdly, they conduct their revenue leakage analysis to pinpoint their financial inefficiencies. Now, in my experience, I built the Power BI dashboard that tracked the claim rejection trends, and this allowed us to reduce the error by almost 30% by proactively addressing those patterns in our rejected claims. Secondly, talking about the fraud detections and the risk management, where the problem was like a healthcare fraud cost the industry billions every year. Now, for this AI solution, AI-driven BI tools can detect the anomalies in billing patterns, example like unusually high charges from the certain providers, also identify the duplicate billing or suspicious claim submissions. In my work, I use like a BI dashboard to visualize the billing patterns, uncovering their irregularities and that lead to the detection of a fraudulent claim submission. Thirdly, talking about the cost control and the budget optimization, uncontrolled operational costs will lead to a budget overruns. For that, Tableau and Looker dashboards allow CFOs to monitor the department-wise spending trends, also compare their cost versus their revenue data in real time, and use the predictive analytics to forecast their future expenses and optimizing their budgeting. By analyzing a claims processing cost per provider, I helped optimize resource allocations and also help them to in reducing the administrative cost by almost like 15%. Alternatively, there are other perspectives and challenges. Of course, adopting the data-driven financial analysis isn't without challenges. address those few concerns like resistance to the change. Many financial teams resist the BI adoption due to the fear of complexity. Companies like Amazon invest in training programs to upskill their employee on BI tools. Also, data-driven concerns where like handling financial data which requires the strict compliance with regularities with HIPAA, GDPR, and SOX. For this, like companies have implemented a role-based access control in BI platform to ensure their compliance are up and right. Thirdly, talking about the high implementation cost. Now, BI tools can be expensive, but open source alternatives like Metabase or cloud-based solutions like Google Looker Studio provide the cost-effective options. Now, the shift to data-driven financial analysis is not a trend, it's a necessity. Companies that leverage visualization tools can gain deeper financial and insight, also reduce the risk and error, improves their operational efficiency. Healthcare organization in particular must embrace the BI tool to optimize their claim processing and detect the fraud and reduce the cost. While resistance to this change, data privacy concerns and high cost exists, organizations that strategically implement those BI solution will emerge like a stronger and more competitive. The future of like a financial decision making belongs to those who can see beyond the numbers, to those who can visualize, analyze, and act on the data driven insights. Thank you.